नुकसान हुआ था या जो 60 करोड़ से लेकर जो CAG ने फिगर दिए थे वहाँ तक था। तो इसलिए इस मामले की असलियत क्या है, इसमें जो तथ्य हैं वो क्या है, उसको जानने के लिए मैंने खुद इस चीज़ को संयुक्त संसदीय समिति के सामने रखा था। और इसलिए अगर श्री संजय निरुपम ने ऐसी कोई बात कही है PAC में, लोक लेखा समिति में, तो बेहतर ये रहेगा कि इसके ऊपर जो प्रतिक्रिया है वो ही दे। उनका सवाल पहले था वहाँ से, तो उसके बाद मैं आप वापस आ जाता हूँ। सॉरी, well, I don't think it would be appropriate for me to be commenting about it, since I had raised the same issue in the meeting of the Joint Parliamentary Committee on the 14th of September. There have been various reports in the public space with regard to what is the quantum of presumptive loss. So I think it is important that a determination should be made, and if the Public Accounts Committee has decided to take an initiative, we leave it to their rare wisdom to see as to how best they would like to deal with it.
Your party, Jagat Shikhi leadership, has said that Hazare's activism is animated by presidential ambition. Does the Congress also have any kind of information that Hazare can be a candidate for the leadership?
You know, I do not want to comment on what Digvijay Singh ji has said. However, you know, experience has proved that in retrospect, invariably, he proves to be uncannily right. And I leave it at that. हाँ, मैं CAG की विश्वसनीयता के ऊपर कोई टिप्पणी नहीं करना चाहता, कोई सवाल नहीं उठाना चाहता, क्योंकि वो एक संवैधानिक संस्था है। पर हाँ, अगर अलग तरह के आंकड़े सार्वजनिक होते हैं तो ज़रूर ये जिम्मेदारी बनती है उन सारी संस्थाओं की, उन सारी समितियों की जो इस चीज़ को देखती है कि इस मामले की तय में जाकर जो असलियत है उसको उजागर करने की कोशिश करें।
अन्ना हजारे को लेके आपके फॉलोअर्स में, आपकी पार्टी में कंफ्यूजन है। दिग्विजय सिंह जी कहते हैं वो संगी हैं, उन्हें मेरे साथ पागलखाने चलना चाहिए। आप कहते हैं अन्ना हजारे तुम आखंड भ्रष्टाचार में डूबे हुए हो। प्रधानमंत्री कहते हैं कि मैं आपको सैल्यूट करता हूँ। तो आपके फॉलोअर्स किसको फॉलो करेंगे, किस बात को फॉलो करेंगे?
और दूसरा सप्लीमेंट्री महाराष्ट्र के लोग जाके उनसे प्लेकेट कर उनसे मिलते हैं या ठीक है, यानी AICC एंड PCC में डिफरेंट परसेप्शन है।
Look, insofar as Mr. Anna Hazare personally is concerned, I don't think that any of us has any animus against him. Personally, I have the profoundest respect for anybody who's elder to me in age. But yes, on issues, and issues which concern public policy, there can be a legitimate difference of perception. And I think if a perception or a difference in perception on a public issue or a policy issue is articulated, that needs to be really seen in that sense of the word. Well, as I had earlier caveated my remarks by saying that if the information which has come from Gujarat is correct, and obviously, now that information stands amended that there is a split verdict, so therefore, unless and until you do not study the verdict, it may be inappropriate to comment about it. But however, the issue I think is far more conceptual. And the issue which the BJP has to answer is that when you hold a press conference in Delhi, you say that you are committed to a strong and effective Lokpal. On the other hand, your state government, which you try and put out as your mascot of development, decides to oppose the appointment of a Lok Ayukt tooth and nail. There is a conceptual inherent contradiction in the words and deeds of the Bharatiya Janata Party. So I think if we dehorse the legalese, this is the larger issue which the BJP has to answer. And if at all, on the verdict, there is something to be said, yes, we will peruse the judgment. And if there's anything which needs to be said, we'll come back to you.
Remarks of the law minister. Do you think the remarks of the law minister that the Supreme Court's observation that Lakshman Rekha was crossed by CCTV?
Again, I think it is important to try and appreciate what the law minister said in the context and the circumstances attendant to his statement. I don't think he was holding a brief for anybody who may have committed any alleged aberration. That wasn't the intent. The intent very clearly was that while aberrations need to be dealt with in accordance with the law, we must not run the gauntlet of painting the entire entrepreneurial class with the black brush of corruption, because that definitely has the implication of disincentivizing both entrepreneurship and investment, which is crucial and critical for the development of this country, especially over the next 2 decades, which are possibly the most critical decades for India. देखिए, सवाल न्यायालय की खंडपीठ के फैसले का नहीं है। न्यायालय के फैसले के ऊपर अगर कोई टिप्पणी करनी होगी तो हम ज़रूर उनकी जजमेंट को पढ़ने के बाद अगर ज़रूरत पड़ी, अगर उचित समझेंगे, ज़रूर टिप्पणी करेंगे। पर जो बुनियादी सवाल जिसका भारतीय जनता पार्टी को जवाब देना चाहिए कि दिल्ली में तो आप कहते हैं कि आप एक सशक्त लोकपाल के समर्थक हैं, और गुजरात में जो आपकी सरकार है वो लोक आयुक्त का विरोध करती है। तो ये जो बुनियादी विरोधाभास है आपकी कथनी और करनी में, खासकर जब आप इन मुद्दों को लेकर कोई यात्रा निकालने जा रहे हैं, तो इस विरोधाभास के ऊपर उनका जो स्पष्टीकरण है लोगों के सामने वो रखा जाना चाहिए।
CWG mess or the expenditure is still on. Now the sports minister has taken a dig at Kalmadi, Suresh Kalmadi and MS Gill over several expenditures being done in the CWG. This has come after severe criticism by Manish Shinkarai, one of your senior leaders.
Well, honestly, if the sports minister has made a statement, I am not cognizant of it. And I think I would be unfair to the sports minister if I was to react on a statement which he ostensibly has made without really perusing it. देखिए, हाँ, गलती हो गई। देखिए, श्री जगजीत सिंह जी इस देश के बहुत ही जाने माने फनकार थे, गायक थे, और एक पूरी पीढ़ी उनके गानों के ऊपर, उनकी गज़लों के ऊपर बड़ी हुई है। हम अपनी तरफ से, कांग्रेस पार्टी की तरफ से उन्हें भावभीनी श्रद्धांजलि देते हैं। थैंक यू वेरी मच।